Hello, hello, hello. Hello, my fellow humans. How's everyone doing? Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to QC your estimated quantities. And I want to point some few things that some people might not get. Don't come for me, this is ORD 10.9 because we started this project in 10.9 and then DOT switched to 10.10, but because we already started here and this is like the SMP submittal, SP, oh god, anyway, the final submittal. So we doing it ORD 10.9, but whatever I'm gonna show you here is also apply for ORD 10.10 because the tool is coming from Bentley and there are also another tool from DOT and they carried that tool from 10.9 to 10.10. Okay, so first thing first, I want to show you the comment. Let me blur, I'm gonna cover people's name because I don't want DOT people be mad at me and say, why are you showing our names? Most of them are actually GEC, they're not even DOT, but well, they are working with DOT, right? But this comment, well, I promise you, you're gonna like this. I hope so. Okay, just put boxes to hide people's name. So this comment is telling us, for pay item number 700-112, the quantity shown in the EQ report does not match what is shown in the CADD file and does not match what's shown in the spam. And I was like, okay. I expected this. I did not work on this. Unfortunately, we have a lot of people working. And as you know, a lot of people are still grasping with ORD. They are still grasping with the automated quantity. They are still grasping with the pay items. So mistake somewhere has been made. And I'm not saying that I never make a mistake. Oh God almighty, I make mistakes every time. But this video is for learning. So how are we gonna tackle this? Because I went to the file and I run a fresh EQ report and I see that the pay item, this one, is showing me 32. I was like, okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. Look at your EQ report and make sure what is showing. And then the next thing you need to do, you need to go home and click on Explorer and get this tool and go to items. Again, if you want to watch my old videos, I showed you how to create your custom box and you can literally just put the pay item in them and the alignment. Go check my ORD 1010 pay item quantity. It will show you exactly how to have a beautiful box. So as you see, this box have this pay item and have the alignment only, and we also have another box for FPID, and I also show in my other videos how to do all that. But what I didn't show is, and I think it's good for QC your own work before you send it to DOT, is to use this tool. So again, this is what I did. Like I said, we're just trying to follow the statement of this person. They claim that the EQ report does not match the CADD, does not match the spam. So let's make sure that first of all, that's accurate. And try to find where's the mistake that triggered this. And by the way, this is what DOT people actually do to QC your work. And when I say DOT, I'm talking about the GCIs people who actually, that's their job. They QC your work. They utilize this tool. You literally come here and type the pay item, click on enter. Ta-da, it showed me 32. I was like, interesting. So we have 32 and it show you here all of them. So what I like to do, I do this and I click on zoom and it will literally highlight all of them for me. And you see this post have that and the label here is showing it. So, okay, 32. So now the next step that I like to do, first of all, let me turn the background because I like the background. I don't like working in the dark. The next thing which you should do is, so EQR is matching the CADD. Now let's just check the plans. So I will go to the plans. It depends what type of PDF that you have. We have here PDF Exchange. I'm sure all of them, they have a search bar, you can just search and you have to put the quotation mark, and be careful, write them like this. 2 spaces, 1 space between the 1 and 1, and 2 spaces between 1 and 0. Just make sure you have them like that. So I clicked on here and I literally just clicked on enter. And it's showing me we have 33. Okay, so we have 33. So first thing first, we need to send virtual thanks to this person. They are correct. The DGN file, the CADD file does not match, the EQ does not match the spam, because the DGN is telling me we have 32, the EQ is telling me we have 32, but the freaking plan have 33 boxes. When I say 33 boxes, basically, yeah, these boxes, these text boxes, that is telling you the assembly, 0700112 assembly. So how are we gonna toggle this problem? Since they are shown here in this search, only look for the text that's mean they has been written already. So what I think is, from my experience, that somebody put the box and forgot to code it in the post. That's why here is showing us that we have 32 only. Or maybe somebody coded, but unfortunately forgot the spaces, because that could happen. Somebody did it manually. For example, this is what I mean. If we went here, you see we have 7. If I did just this, look what's gonna happen. If I just moved it like this and saved, and then we already have it here. Now let's search. You see, now it's showing us 32. And we already have it here. And also, if I did FDOT takeoff manager, and I did sign in and pavement marking, it's not gonna read it. This is the small problems that a lot of people make. And it's really, that's why you need to be careful. That's why you need to have a proper way of doing it. When you copy the numbers, be careful about the spaces between them. So let me show you. I'm gonna just takeoff manager this. And then do compute. Yes, yes, please. Why do I feel I just showed you guys a way to sheet DOT? Because somebody can do that too, right? Can literally go to 700. Hold on, I forgot the number. 700112. Where's 700113? So it's 112 here. Here we go. Now this, it's only reading 31 because one of them has been written wrong. One of them has been written with extra space, with missing spaces. God Almighty. So don't save. Let's go back. So you guys, please be careful. When I see spaces, that's what I mean. Look at my cursor. You see 1 space, 2 space, and then 1 space, 1 space. One small mistake in this, it will trigger this error. So be careful. So again, let's search again. Okay, now we're back again to 32, which is great. So if you are curious what I'm gonna do is, which is time consuming, I already know that we have 32 boxes. So the problem is, one of these posts, somebody wrote these wrong. That's why takeoff manager cannot pick it. That's why this cannot pick it. And if you want to be a wizard like me, let's try this. This is just a shot in the dark, right? So since I have 1 space here, let me go back. So let's assume somebody made a mistake and only put 1 space here. Let's search for that. Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, so forget what I just said. I'm not a wizard. It still showed me that there is 2 space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zoom to all of them and highlight them and like I said, like this, and I'm gonna go to every one of them as you see here and make sure it's written like this and it's labeled. That's what I'm gonna do throughout the whole project. It's time consuming, but that's what you need to do. And unfortunately, that's what these mistakes people get, because people actually do not pay attention. I know this is change of technology, but god damn it, just pay attention. Because what I actually do, again, this is an advice to somebody else, before I start put coding the pay items to either a cell, a post, a line, whatever, I copy these. This is what I do. I copy them straight up from the website like this, and I paste them in a Word document and whatever, and then I copy them as they are. When I say as they are, for example, here between the 1 and 1, we actually have, as you see, we have 1 space. Some of them, they might have 2 spaces. So you just need to write them as it is. Candy and her teams in Tallahassee office, the amazing people who did the takeoff manager, they literally made everything match. If it's written here like this, you need to make sure your box have it the same, or this is not gonna work. Okay. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this helped someone out there. And you guys, please utilize this. Oh yeah, I forgot about something. Yes. Since we have this, this tool here, this search tool pay item, this is Bentley product. This is what I'm moving. This is Bentley. But DOT also have another tool for QCing. When I see QCing, just for searching. But I'm also showing you this is the back work. This is how the DOT people QC. They check your PDF, they check your CAD file. That's what they do, and that's what's gonna generate a comment like this. So the other thing I want you to point out is these element IDs. So these element IDs, if you literally just clicked on this, copied it, that's another way actually to search. So I'm just gonna click here. You go here under FDOT, you go here. Oh my god, you guys, I'm making a video, golly. You go here, search by element, and then you click on here and you put the element ID and you click on find, and then you wait on it till it flash like this, and then you have to exit this tool. And that's took you exactly to that pay item. And you know what you have. We have the 700-112 and then 70160, and make sure the labels match that. So please guys, utilize this Bentley product, utilize this tool too, and also utilize your PDF, because that's important. And that's how people QC and find your mistake. I know a lot of people use the MicroStation of hiding stuff and using stuff and using this and leaving it. Like for example, if I copied this and I left it here somewhere and I run the takeoff manager, you're actually gonna pick it because you already have the boxes. Just know that with ORD, there are no more shortcuts. Everything you do is coded. Just learn the workflow, and it's actually gonna make your life easier. Okay, enough talking. I have work to do. I'm gonna be, what is it called? Nancy Drew? I'm gonna be Nancy Drew. I'm gonna Nancy Drew this sign-in and pavement marking, because I need to find which one of these posts have it written wrong. It's a lot of work. But because I didn't do it, because I know this is not my mistake. This is somebody's else. But again, we are a team, so I'm not blaming no one. But I just wanted to share this because you guys learned this, just so you don't make this mistake again, because it's time consuming, as I said. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for listening.